Hey, what's up, guys? This is App Teaches, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create logo design using perfect squares. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is create a perfect square. So we are going to be using the rectangle tool, and you can also press M on your keyboard to access it. So after doing that, create a rectangle, then drag down by using the Alt key. So it will make a copy. Then you press Ctrl D three times to make five squares in total. So after doing that, you drag to the right again by using the Alt key. So doing this, you'll be creating another and duplicate copy by pressing Ctrl D. So in total, you should be having about 15 squares. So after doing that, you should drag to the right again by using the Alt key. So after doing that, you should press Ctrl D three times. So because you're creating a five word logo design, so you should be having five in a different section of those 15 squares you've created. So next thing to do is deleting the unwanted part. So I'll be highlighting the part I don't need. So this one is for the A, for the E, sorry. So I'm removing the part for the E, and this one is for the L. So in your own case, maybe you'll be creating a logo for maybe another company that has maybe a longer name or a longer um company name. So it depends on how you'll be working on the project, but this is just the basic idea on how to create logo design using perfect squares. So I'm deleting the last unwanted part from the E. So after doing this, we'll be uniting everything together by using the Pathfinder tool. So right now, I'll be highlighting everything, every word, then locate the Pathfinder tool. As you can see, I'm trying to look for the Pathfinder tool here, but I'm not seeing it. So I have to go to the Windows, then go to Align. I find this I find that going to online is more comfortable for me. So I will just have to switch tabs from transformation to Pathfinder. So after doing that, you can just click on unite to unite every object on the screen. So you have to ungroup these guys. So by right clicking on the object, you can click on ungroup, then it will ungroup every piece from the object. So the next thing you have to do now is to start rounding the corners of every logo, every object. Sorry. So you have to select the objects that you want to round the corners. So you have accessed the direct selection tool. You can also do this by clicking A on your keyboard. So I'll be rounding the corners of each object. As you can see, you'll be working on the L later because I feel it's too wonky at the moment. So I'm trying to round the bottom of the letter A. So you can see that even the top of the A is not that perfect. So I have to round the corners too. So I'll be rounding the bottom corner, the middle one too. So the letter L, we are still coming back to the letter L. So I'll have to round the corners too. So we already get the idea of how this thing is going to work. So basically, I'm just rounding the corners to make the letters more visible to what I've already shown you in the first slide of the video. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe and comment and like. If you have any suggestion of video I should be creating for you guys, putting it in the comment section. So I'm working on the L, on the letter L, as you can see. But right now we forgot to add the little dots at the end of the wordmark logo, so I'll be creating a perfect square. I just did this by clicking on the page and using the direct selection tool. I'm rounding the corners to a perfect circle. So I think we are through. We are already through with the logo from this place, but I'm going to be adding colors to it. So basically we are through, but I'm still trying to create rectangles so we can add those logo to it. And I'll be creating two rectangles. I'll be creating a green one, and also I'll be creating a gray one. So I'm trying to align it in the center to the middle of the word mark. So I'll be selecting the gray color. And mind you, these colors you can also pick them up while it's displaying on the screen. So you can just write them down and then apply it to your own. So this is basically the end of this tutorial because I'm just trying to place the rest of the logo. So, but if you are trying to do your own logo, so the first thing I'll advise you to do is come up with your idea, then you can just transform your idea by um by using this method I showed you to create a perfect square. And this is also a beginning of custom letter type. As you can see, we didn't use any font, so it's also a good start for you to learn custom letter type. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.